And I invite you to join me in our morning meditation. Such an important part of unity, that we connect with the divine inside us and outside us and everywhere. And in the silence are powerfully impacted by that. So if you will, take a deep breath, and I invite you to close your eyes. And take a deep breath, taking in the everywhereness of spirit outside of us that is as close as our nostrils. It's the tip of our nose. Breathing in that spirit. And as we exhale, releasing all the little gidgies, all the gidgies about getting here on time or not. Inhaling, taking in spirit, exhaling, releasing the gidgies of how I'll do what I'm going to do, what's going to happen after lunch, what are we going to eat for lunch. Just releasing. And with that inspiration, that in-breath, connect with the divine of you. Just there in that heart center, and is as close as and in that beating heart of you. Breathing in, connecting with that divine. Allowing yourself to surrender into the arms of love. You may feel yourself feeling enfolded with these great big giant arms, holding you, supporting you, loving you. And as you're held there in those arms of love, feeling the power of that love both in those arms and in your heart. From your heart, imagine a great big sunshine with its rays spreading out and out and out, connecting with every atom in the whole universe. Big ray of sunshine. Taking in the peace and the energy and the excitement and the love and the joy of that energy out there. Connecting with it and taking it in with that sunshine radiating from your heart. And beginning to pull that energy back into yourself, pulling those rays back into that strong, powerful, beautiful, beating heart, divine of you. Feeling that heart connected with every heart in this room. Knowing the oneness of all of us. And if you will, from that heart, call out the name of anyone who may need to feel that love, that divine energy this morning. Someone who might be in need. You can say it quietly or loudly. Earl, Betsy. And beginning to return that heart energy and return your body back into this room, allowing those arms of love to set you back down on the ground. Feel yourself grounded. Grandmother Earth right below us. Slowly opening your eyes. Giving yourself a stretch if you want to. Yep. And as you bring your energy and awareness back to this room, find yourself connecting with your eyes, with another member of our congregation, knowing that as you do, you're connecting with the divine in them and they with you. Being seen and seeing as divine.